this is ECE461 final demo. My name is Xiaohan.
My name is Mai Sawada.
And I'm Alex Hutchins.
Okay, so first, this is our device, pedometer, massive. First demonstration, how to connect to internet using a simple link config. So we choose to use a phone app to connect to any network that we desire. First, come here. First, you start the. You have to go to this. First, you start the menu. You have to turn on the simple link config right here, and then you start workout. So now it will start the internet, and I'm connected to Alex's phone right here. So I'm starting right now. It might take a little bit, but once it's connected, the red LED will come on, and it will show that the simple link device should be connected as well as my phone. So my phone is connected to Alex's device because NCSU just doesn't like MQTT. It might take a little bit. Maybe you want to edit this part out. Dun 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 dun. Da, 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 da. Come on. Oh, there it is.
And it connected finally.
Yes, I always tell you till the end. So now you can see that connected device, simple link, the LED is on. So right now, you look at here. We received the status start workout.
Now that we've configured the device using simple link, when we start the workout, it should automatically connect to the network that we set up.
All right, so here's the UI.
I'm gonna set the new goal. So the current goal is 500 steps, which was previously set it from the previous workout, which was loaded from flash memory. And I'm gonna set it to 400 steps this time. So now I'm gonna start workout. When you press the start workout, it disables LCD and it will automatically connect to Wi-Fi.
Okay, now we're gonna go here. So MQTT, see, once it's connected, workout started. So now it's gonna send a step every 5 seconds. Go for it, walk. So it's gonna do the update. Alright, so she's coming back.
And when she gets back, we are going to switch it from the Wi-Fi IoT mode to the onboard LCD mode.
You just took 114 steps. Congratulations. Now switch back. So by pressing this button right here, you can see we just went back to the LCD display mode. This is how much step you're taking. And the Wi-Fi is disconnected. See, that's the last Wi-Fi connection. Start. Now we're going to demonstrate the ability to set new goals from the internet as well as our alarm function. So we're going to set a new goal here locally.
To 1,000 steps?
2,000.
Oh, 2,000. Okay. Set. Start workout.
All right, so now it's going to connect to internet. wait for it to connect to internet.
We're back to the Bluemix interface. The last workout was ended, and we are waiting for the current one. Oh,
So workout started.
All right, now using our Bluemix interface, we can set the goal with this inject node. By editing this node, you can set it, and then as you can see, it's set at 50 right now. And now when we inject it, it will send the goal, and we will wait for a confirmation. And new goal updated.
Okay. So now we come back here. So now we change back to our local mode. Go to menu. Set new goal again. So see that the current goal is updated to 50 instead of 2000. So he's gonna, Mike's gonna set. Gonna go demonstrate the alarm system. Go work. Okay. So the alarm just sounded because we just reached 56, or we just passed 50. Okay, so now we're gonna stop our workout by shutting down. So this will shut down everything, include the ADC, and it's gonna send a signal to here that says workout ended, and it's gonna have a timestamp on it. Workout just ended.
Part of our video. In this video, we'll talk about the general structure of our code as well as some of the functions in our code. So first thing is first, let's go to main. As you can see, we did incorporate RTOS for our project. So we have initialization for GPIO, LCD, Wi-Fi, timer, ADC, and all the good stuff. And the rest is taken care of by the sysbios. So we can, over here in this config file, we can see we have main task. This is for our UI main menu. So the task will run every time the button is pressed, which bring up the menu. We also have a subtask. It's a separate task, but this is actually a sub menu to set our goal. To set the goal. So these are actually two different tasks, but they're all menus. So we have an MQTT task. This is one of the major tasks. So once this task is called for post the semaphore, it will disable the LCD, create a internet connection, connect to the MQTT broker, and then it will go into this loop, which it will listen for any transmission from the internet, from the server. And if the user wants to transmit anything, it will just set this flag and it will transmit signal to the internet as well. So another task is a pedometer calculation task. This incorporates our algorithm to calculate the step based on the 3-axis accelerometer. So this task gets posted by the hardware interrupt and gets the actual ADC value and convert it into a step. We also have a display task. This task will not be called unless the LCD is enabled. So this task will pretty much display the step onto the LCD, but since LCD is not on all the time, it will only get called when the LCD is on or required. So we have about 7 hardware interrupt, ADC sampling timer. This is I think this is using timer 82. It is a 20 millisecond timer, so that is our ADC sampling rate. This is actual ADC hardware interrupt, which will get the ADC value from the memory channel and write it into a global. This is for our MSP430 switches. which is a port 1 interrupt. This is in this interrupt, it's where all the control for the menu are written. This is debounce, which uses A3 timer A3 millimeter timer. This is a timer 32. It is used for MQTT connection. This is a switch for booster pack, switch 2. And this is timer A1. This is a 5 millisecond timer. This is how often we send the data to the MQTT once the Wi-Fi is enabled. The code, and let's go through the flow of the code. Okay, so go into debug mode. So at the very beginning, everything's going to be off. So everything is off. Nothing will happen until you hit this button, which will bring up the menu. Okay, see the menu here. To set the goal, well, we gotta set the goal first because the goal is set up to use flash memory. But since we just flashed new code on this, the goal is gonna be all weird. Usually, it will load the code, set that's previously stored. So let's go in there. You see the current goal is actually 0.7, which is all whatever was on the flash, the memory card. Maybe should have choose a different address, but let's go just set 100. Set okay. Sorry, button is opposite. There it is. Start workout. Okay, now the LCD turns off. As you can see here, it's actually starting the MQTT connection. So, configure it to connect to our Wi-Fi at home, so it should automatically connect. See, so it's publishing the unique ID, which is I think the starting time. Let's go to Wi-Fi. Yeah, see, workout started right here. That's where it first, and then now it's going to record step as I move. I'm actually shaking it to get it to move, and you will actually see it here too. What I published. So if you want to switch back to the local mode, you just press this button right here, and it will start displaying number. As you can see, that and MQTT connection when I press it. So with this menu right here, I can also bring up the menu, and then I can go to shutdown, and everything will get shut down now. Even the ADC is stopped. But at the end, it will also make another final connection. Let's see. And it's gonna push the final stop timestamp. It's gonna end the connection right away. Okay, so we can see right here that it says workout has ended. So after the board is shut off, pretty much the only thing that's running right now is going to be this idle task. Not this one, sorry. This one, which will continuously put the board into so button is pressed again to bring up the menu. So this concludes the structure and the flow of our program.